Google has failed us again. So, it's this largely abandoned farmhouse. And that's the road that it says we should continue on to get to where we're trying to go. Alright, so YouTube says to come here, and then walk down to the stream, walk upstream. It's only about 1 kilometer. And then we should be at the waterfall. Well, this is clearly not the way there. I'm not getting over that, much less the dog. This looks a lot more promising. I'll figure it out, boy. It's not that complicated. There's a path right there. Walking up the stream for about an hour now, and it is time for rest. My elbow hurts. I took a good hard spill. How you feeling, Pi?
Pretty exhausted.
You have ants all over your hat. You might want to dump that in the river really quick. There's ants all over it. I guess nobody's home. I didn't even know that we had wild turtles in Taiwan. But you know what? This far up, I don't imagine he's an escaped domestic turtle. And I saw another one in there too, I think, under the leaves. Cool. Hey, buddy. I don't know if it's gonna help you much, buddy. I already know you're there. Whoa, what kind of bones are those? We figured out where the water's coming from. Must be an underground spring right there, because there's nowhere else. It's coming directly out of there and spreading out. Then, yeah. Cool. Spring water. All this. I wonder what they were making out here. I guess that answers that question. Looks like we maybe didn't even need to trace that river to get here. Huh. Alright, let's go check that out once Pi catches up. Make it, but there's a little rope there. That's how we get to those stairs, and that's how we progress. And, well, the dog can't do that, so I guess this is as far as we go. It's fun anyways. Alright, let's head home, boy. We decided we were so tired from all that river tracing that we would take an alternate route back, because there's a road leading down to the stream. And apparently, we're not supposed to be on that road, because there's this big old gate to keep people from coming in. Was almost effective in keeping us from getting out. And then now, we're all turned around and lost on these farming roads. But I think we're back on the right track now. I observed that it's like we're in an American action movie, she says. Because the last scene is always the hero or the two heroes walking stoically out of danger after a mission well done. Whew, finally, there's a scooter. That is a sight for sore eyes and empty bellies, because it was lunchtime almost 3 hours ago. Alright, that adventure is just about done.